All right, now let's go ahead and talk about comparisons. First off, let's talk about the easiest comparison, when two things are the same. We'll go ahead and call that an equality. That's when two things have the same value. For example, if 5 is equal to 2 plus 3. Or 4 to the third power is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. The things on the left and right side have the same value. So here we're saying that a has the same value as 7. So if we have a plus 3, we can replace a or substitute 7 for a. Substitution is a powerful utility that we're going to use throughout this course. Now, if two things aren't the same, then they're different. So now we're going to talk about inequalities. So if things aren't the same, then one of them can be greater than the other. For example, 7 is greater than 4. Or one of them would be less than the other. In this case, we might say that 3 is less than 120.342. Now let's go ahead and consider the fact that sometimes we want to make comparisons where things could be both equal or unequal. Well, that would be a range of values. So something could be greater than or equal to. So for example, a is greater than or equal to 5, means that a could either be greater than 5 or a could be equal to 5. And so we'd have a whole range of possible values. For example, a could be 5, 6, 6.2, 9.5. We also could have less than or equal to. So for example, a might be less than or equal to 15.2. Okay, so a is either less than 15.2 or a is the same as 15.2. Again, we're just making sure that our possible values satisfy either of these conditions. So a could be equal to 15.2, 15.1, 0, -4, and again, any other value that satisfies those two conditions.